The start of the 21st century witnessed hectic efforts for skill development across the globe. This has become essential when the regular academic systems fail to cater to the human resource requirements of the industries. In this context, I would like to share with you an innovative initiative of Government of Kerala State in India called Additional Skill Acquisition Program. Additional Skill Acquisition Program, commonly called ASAP, is a skill development initiative of Government of Kerala which is jointly implemented by its higher education and general education departments. ASAP is a part of the state skill development project which tries to address the unemployment problem in the state through two different dimensions, namely preventive and curative. It is on the preventive approach the state has developed an additional skill acquisition program to provide industry-specific skill training to students studying at higher secondary schools and arts and science undergraduate colleges. The project targets students from socially and economically weaker sections of the society who desperately in need of a job immediately after the current academic studies. The skill training courses are being identified in accordance with the industry demands. Participation of employer industries in the entire life cycle of the program, that is course identification, course development, course transaction, quality assurance, internship, assessment, certification, tracer studies and continued research for further betterment of the program is the unique selling proposition of ASAP. The ASAP programs are implemented by a program secretariat constituted under the Higher Education Department of the state. The ASAP Program Secretariat works in close collaboration with the National Skill Development Agency, National Skill Development Corporation, sector skill councils, industries, industry associations, universities and other stakeholders. Particular care is given to ensure that courses are in alignment with National Skill Qualification Framework (NSQF), which mandates the development of qualification packs based on national occupational standards. The NSQF also ensures vertical and horizontal mobility of students through and between academic and technical education streams with multiple exit points. Another beauty of ASAP is its mandatory foundation module, wherein students are trained in the 21st century soft skills along with the industry-specific skills. ASAP was launched in 2012 with 13 courses, and by the beginning of 2015, ASAP has 92 courses in its skill bouquet, which is being catered to 50,000 students.